In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PowerPoint slides in Wix Studios. This is a great way to showcase presentations directly on your Wix website, adding an interactive and visually appealing element that can engage your audience more effectively. Let's dive right in and explore the steps involved in this process. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Wix website. If you're not already logged in, make sure you do so with your account details. Once you're on your Wix dashboard, look for the button or link that says Edit Website or Go to Editor. Click this and it will take you to the editing interface of your site. Now, to begin the upload process, locate the plus add button, usually found on the left toolbar of the Wix editor. Clicking on this opens a menu where you can add various elements to your page. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area as it's essentially your toolbox for website customization. Within the options that appear, you'll see one labeled Image. Select this option since it allows for the integration of your PowerPoint slides as image files, which is a necessary step in this process. Next, click on Upload and Import. This will enable you to bring files from your device into Wix. Once you've clicked, look for a prompt or button that invites you to add photos from your computer. Selecting this will open a file dialog window, giving you access to browse the folders and files stored on your computer. Now, in the file dialog, navigate to where your PowerPoint slides are saved. Remember, before this step, you'll need to have saved your PowerPoint presentation as images, usually in JPEG or PNG format. Choose the slides you want to import and click Open. This action will upload the images into the Wix Media Manager. After uploading, these images will appear in your Media Manager, and you can select them to be added directly onto your web page. Arrange these images in a sequence that reflects the order of your original PowerPoint slides. You can further customize the presentation by adding slideshow features or animations available within Wix. And there you have it. Your PowerPoint slides are now effectively integrated as a visual element within your Wix website, ready to enhance the experience of your site visitors. Remember, updating and customizing your website with rich visual content not only improves aesthetics, but can also significantly boost user engagement. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy website editing!